Hi, this is Tamiya Ninja. Welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to have a comparison between two trucking series by Tamiya. The old model Sunny Shuttle model number 17501 and the newest, the premium Sunny Shuttle model number 95297. We are going to unbox and have a quick review of the parts. On this video we divide the screen for us to easily compare the two. On the left side of the video is the older model of Tamiya Shuttle. Actually this is a reissue model. The difference between the released model in 1990 is the body color. The oldest Sunny Shuttle color is pure red. This reissue model, which is released last July 2010, is chrome red in color. On the other hand, on the right side of the video is the newer model of Sunny Shuttle, which is also have two premium model released by Tamiya. The first released on October 2013 and second released was February 2017, which is the model we are going unbox. As far as I know there is no difference between the two premium model. By the way, this kit was released along with Jolly Joker model. The major difference of this kit is the body color. The older model is chrome-plated red and the premium model is yellow. Both are made up of ABS plastic. It was based on the second-generation Chevrolet K5 Blazer pickup truck that was produced from 1973 to 1991. The Sunny Shuttle has the 4x4 pickup body design, with the rectangle-shaped, rose-styled air intake with headlamps on the front and the rectangle-shaped signal lamps on the rear. There's the flare sight around the rear wheels and the silver-colored front bumper. The body shell consists of two parts, the black window parts and the main body shell parts. The body shell was attached to the AR chassis via the side body catch parts. The chassis are also different. The older model is with Type 3 chassis, while the newest model is using AR chassis. Both are black color and made of ABS plastic. Let's check the wheels and tires. Both wheels and tires are small in diameter, with black narrow wide slick tires. Mesh type design. The old model is using silver chrome plated while the new one is deep gold color. It is also the same with Jolly Joker model. So this is the kit internals. Older model is equipped with 6.4:1 and 5:1. The newer one have the 4.2:1. And both have stock single shaft motor. The original model has the red body color with blue and yellow stripes with white trims. It has a Santa Fe Sportster's decals on the top of the front window, a Tamiya decal on the rear, a Sunny Shuttle on the hood and the car number 175 on the rear cab top and on the doors. The earlier batch of the Sunny Shuttle has the specially designed, silver-plated wheels and black slick tires, but later reissues has the silver-plated small diameter fully cowled mesh-type wheels with high-profile slick tires. The limited red plated edition has the body shell and side body catches painted in chrome colors. The premium variant has the yellow body color with different body decals with black and red highlights. It has several faux OEM decals, the Sunny Shuttle decals on the rear flares and on the hood, as well as the Tamiya logo and the company's URL on the body shell. It has the car number 33. If you are going to ask me which is better among the two, they are both great kit with have different value and usage. When it comes to collection, the older the better. The old model is 3 to 4 times expensive than the premium model. But the premium model is more usable when it comes to race, modifications and upgrades. And also it is cheaper. Okay, don't forget to click like and subscribe button. Also click the bell for update notifications. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.